Welcome to SLTV, or Student Life Television as we would like to call it. What we're doing is creating small videos that are either our hobbies, something that we like to do, or showcasing our strengths. None of us are professionals, but what we wanted to do is share a little bit of us with you. And I hope you enjoy it. This will drop every Thursday, so let us know which one you like and which ones you want to see more of. It will be something from simple recipes, maybe some language lessons, some gardening tips. There's going to be so many great features, and all of them are created by Student Life team. Every episode will feature a new person, so please tune in, and I hope you like it. Thank you.